Cyware is excited to introduce Domain Sightings as part of the Compromised Credential Management module of the Cyware Intelligence Suite. In this video, we will briefly demonstrate these new features and capabilities. Let's begin. The Compromised Credential Management module was recently launched as part of our new exposure management capability, and we have now added Domain Sightings to that suite. Upon launching the Domain Sightings module, you will first have to configure which domains you would like to be monitored. It will now automatically fetch the compromised credentials and domain sightings. In dark web forums, there will be ongoing discussions for a specific enterprise that either contain leaked data or discussions on the vulnerability and how to use that vulnerability to leak more data. With this crawler, when you configure your domain of interest, our system will conduct checks for all of the dark web forums where discussions are happening related to your enterprise or domain. If there are any discussions that are found, it will automatically fetch the details on the source URL where the discussion is happening, and it will show you when it was discussed and when it was last updated. This particular example was discussed in March, and we have updated it in July. When you select one of the sightings, you will get a screenshot of what is being discussed in the forum, instead of having to access a Tor browser to view the content. This can be difficult for an enterprise setup. Sometimes what happens is the hackers give fake data and threaten to leak it to make a sale. So the very first approach for the company or the enterprise is to check whether the data is real or not. This is why we give you the complete screenshot where you can view the discussion and what data they are saying will get leaked. The analyst can see all of those details and make the call of whether the data is relevant to them or not. Similar to CCM, you will be able to configure the set of actions that you want to take for this specific domain sighting. You can notify the user, notify the team to act further on it, or if you want to add more actions, all you need to do is go to the configurations. From here, you can create a playbook, and you can select whether this action should reflect for CCM or domain sightings. Once you enable the action, you will see the set of actions that you can perform here. And when you are working on an item, you can change the status to under review so that the other team members are not working or duplicating the effort. So whenever you are working on a domain sighting, you can change it to under review, and once you have finalized the review, you can close the item saying that the corrective actions have been taken. The new Domain Sightings feature gives you the complete details without having to go inside. For more information, you can visit us at cyware.com or connect with one of our representatives at sales@cyware.com.